Welcome to the Gurukul Prep Daily Podcast on 25th July. Update 1 Important Day World Embryologist Day, 25th July. World Embryologist Day is observed annually on 25th July. This day is especially significant because the first baby was delivered via the IVF procedure in 1978. Louise Joy Brown was the first baby born in vitro fertilization, IVF. Embryologists are medical experts researching and investigating sperm, eggs, and embryos. They are responsible for determining which sperm and eggs are viable for IVF treatment. On this day, awareness is given to people about the process, and the chances of improving this particular field of medical science are explored on how to give birth to a healthy child through IVF. Update 2 Economy Union Budget 2024 to 25, 2.19 lakh rupees crore for Home Ministry. The Union Budget 2024 to 25 granted to lakhs 19,643 crore rupees to the Ministry of Home Affairs, with the vast majority of it 1,43,275 crore rupees going to central police forces such as the CRPF, BSF, and CISF, which are in charge of internal security, border guarding, and the security of critical installations. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, currently under the central government's direct authority, has been allocated 42,277 crore rupees in the budget. In comparison, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands have received 5,985 crore rupees, Chandigarh 5,862 crore rupees, and Ladakh 5,958 crore rupees. Update 3 Economy Union Budget 2024 to 25, Health Ministry allocated rupees 90,958 crore. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's 2024 to 2025 budget allocates rupees 90,958.63 crore to the Union Health Ministry. The increased budget to the Health Ministry is a 12.96% increase above the rupees 80,517.62 crore 2023 to 24 revised projections. The Health Ministry has allotted rupees 90,958.63 crore, with 87,656.90 crore going to the Department of Health and Family Welfare and 3,301.73 crore to the Department of Health Research. In the budget, the government has also announced customs duty exemptions on 3 cancer treatment drugs: trastuzumab deruxtecan, osimertinib, and durvalumab. Update 4 Economy Union Budget 2024 to 25, 6.22 lakh rupees crore allocated to Ministry of Defence. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman budgeted rupees 6.22 lakh crore for the defence sector in 2024 to 25, practically matching the interim budget tabled in February. The sum set aside for the defence sector accounts for around 12.90% of the entire budget, which is slightly more than last year. The budget of rupees 6.22 lakh crore for the defence sector is 4.79% more than the budget estimates, from last year. Of this, a share of 27.66% goes to capital, 14.82% for revenue expenditure on sustenance and operational preparedness, 30.66% for pay and allowances, 22.70% for defence pensions, and 4.17% for civil organizations under MOD. Update 5 Miscellaneous Sania Mirza, Mary Kom and Ranvijay Singha join Play Sports as brand ambassadors. Sania Mirza, a 6-time Grand Slam winner and former world No. 1 in women's doubles, MC Mary Kom, a 6-time world champion and Olympic bronze medalist, and actor Ranvijay Singha will serve as brand ambassadors for Play Sports. Play Sports' goal is to build a sustainable sports ecosystem in India by collaborating with schools, developing sports, maintaining sports infrastructure, conducting academies, and scouting talent at the grassroots level. Play Sports is also involved in the upgrading of existing sports infrastructure at schools where there is none to develop playgrounds for various sports. Play Sports also provides equipment support and develops sports curricula for schools. Update 6. Obituary. C.T. Kurian, distinguished economist, passes away. C.T. Kurian, a famous economist and former professor of Madras Christian College, has passed away. He died of diseases associated with age at 11 p.m. on 23 July 2024. He was 93. Professor Kurian received his master's degree in economics from Madras Christian College in 1953. He received a Ph.D. from Stanford University, 1958 to 1963, on the topic Factor Market Structure and Technological Characteristics in an Underdeveloped Country, an Indian Case Study. Professor Kurian was a visiting fellow at Yale University in 1968 to 69. He was a professor at Madras Christian College between 1962 and 1978. He served as professor at Madras Institute of Development Studies from 1978 to 1991 and served as its director from 1978 to 1988. Update 7. Rank and Report. 21.71% of country's area under forest cover. The Forest Survey of India, FSI, Dehradun, an entity under the Ministry of Environment and Forests, conducts a biennial evaluation of forest cover. According to the current India State of Forest Report, ISFR, issued in 2021, the country's total forest cover is 7,13,789 square kilometers, accounting for 21.71% of its geographical area. The tree cover grew by 721 square kilometers between 2019 and 2021. There is no loss of tree cover during 2019 and 2021. Therefore, the question of an increase in the emission of carbon dioxide due to the loss of tree cover does not arise. Update 8. Sports. Atika Mir becomes first female racer ever to win race at Rotax Challenge International Trophy. Atika Mir, a 9-year-old racing sensation, made history on the historic and prestigious Le Mans Kart International track by becoming the world's first female racer to win the Rotax Challenge International Trophy race. She accomplished this by winning the second race of the Micro Max category heats. In the final race, Atika was involved in several racing mishaps, slowing her down and eventually finishing 12th, 497 seconds behind leader Joshua Cook of KR Sport, who finished first. Alfie Mayer finished second, while Austin Oman of Sam Pollitt Racing secured third. Update 9. Sports. Oscar Piastri wins F1 title at Hungarian Grand Prix. Oscar Piastri, an Australian Formula One racer, won his maiden F1 title at the Hungarian Grand Prix. The Australian rookie spearheaded a powerful McLaren 1 to finish alongside British-Belgian driver Lando Norris. Norris finally yielded on lap 68 of the 70-lap race, stopping to enable Piastri to overtake. The 23-year-old Australian took the opportunity and never looked back, finishing 2 seconds ahead of his buddy. Behind the McLaren duo, Lewis Hamilton secured the final podium position for Mercedes' 200th career podium. Update 10. State. Aqua Line, Mumbai's first underground metro. The Aqua Line, Mumbai's much-anticipated first underground metro, began operations on 24 July, marking a watershed moment in the city's urban transportation system. This new underground metro is projected to alter urban transportation, make it easier to get around Mumbai's streets and alleviate traffic congestion. The first phase of Mumbai Metro 3, which began on 24 July, will connect the Santa Cruz Electronics Export Processing Zone, SEEPZ, and the Bandra Kurla Complex, BKC. The entire project is scheduled to be completed by the end of December 2024, although the initial completion date was set for September 2024.